Operation Tulong USA.
Mga ka-Pilipino, kadaigdig at ka-OFW, sa mga sandaling ito, special presentation ng Utusa.tv program sa pagitan ng inyong lingkod. Niyaya natin na magiging bisita ng ating palatuntunan ito. Isa sa nagpahalaga sa ating proyektong $1 One Factory OFW Industrial Revolution. Ang ating bisita ngayon ay ang napakalaking nagagawa sa Amerika hinggil sa mga indigenous people. Dalawang ating panauhin ngayon. Pababatiin ko si Donald Szemonadi, ang Managing Director ng IPF, at si Eufido Lopez, ang manager ng IPF. Let's go first to Mr. Donald Szemonadi to greet our viewers all over the world. Mr. Szemonadi, welcome to our show.
Thank you.
Greet our OFWs, Filipinos all over the world right now.
Good day, Filipinos all over the world.
And let's switch our microphone to Mr. Eufido Lopez, the manager of IPF. Greet our Filipinos all over the world.
Thank you, Manny, for the opportunity that you give me to be in your program. So for this season, happy holidays to all my brothers from Philippines.
All right. I'd like to know what is this Indigenous People Fund that you are running right now, Mr. Szemonadi?
Yes, the Indigenous People Fund, it was set up to represent indigenous people around the world. It's set up to raise capital to help those indigenous people that needs or have not been met or addressed. You have indigenous tribes in the U.S., some that are casino owners that receive a lot of funding, and you have indigenous people that do not have received any funding. So basically what we did was we established the Indigenous People Fund to address those needs of the tribes that do not obtain or receive any type of assistance.
Mr. Lopez.
Indigenous People Fund. So when we are talking about indigenous, first of all, we need to address who is really the indigenous. Yeah, because indigenous people we found around the world. See, when we read the history, you can read about our ancestors. That's the people that originally owns the land.
So these are the target of your program.
It's the target of our program because the indigenous people we found around the world, in every single country. But if we see the indigenous people around the world, it is the people that we can say that is the less fortunate.
You know what? It's very timely that I met you people because we have a program that is very new that we have put up. We have a foundation, the Utusa Foundation Incorporated, and we put up two projects, a big global projects, which is the $1 One Factory. And it's very timely that we meet you about this funding. Can we consider also, because your company is based here in the United States, can we consider also that we can ask assistance from your group to extend to the Filipino who are considered indigenous?
Sure. the Indigenous People Fund was set up to address needs for Indigenous people around the world, not just in America. There's Indigenous people in the Philippines, in Africa, in Canada. There's Indigenous people around the world. So basically it was set up to address the needs of Indigenous people. So wherever the needs are, that's where we are. That if we get invited to the Philippines or to Africa or to Canada, that's where we are.
Wow, wow! This is very, very timely because the objective of this $1 one factory is to put up factories in the Philippines, not by big corporations, instead by the help of everyone.
Manny, I'm so happy to come to work together. I tell you what, I was checking your system, and your system is unique because your system is bringing all people together. Your system is bringing is united the people to help other people.
And that's the uniqueness that I see about your program. I've seen a lot of programs that attempt to raise capital in today's time, as you know, in the market, in the conditions of the market, it's very, very difficult to raise capital. These financial institutions do not want to lend money. Investors do not want to lend money. And the uniqueness of the program, people coming together for a common good, $1 one factory. These countries should look and adopt the program that you guys are attempting to do in the Philippines, and I think the world will be a better place if they adopt this program. $1 one factory. It's a very unique and a beautiful thing to help people come together for a common goals, for a common purpose.
Now, you have also a program. Let's get into the program that you are also indulged here in the United States.
What we're doing is we're creating green energy in terms of solar, wind, storage system to the commercial and residential property, and we have a system that does the evaluation.
You mean like our energy right now? This is what we are using,
Yes.
electricity.
Well, you feel you could touch on that a little?
Well, initially we had two components.
All right.
Yeah. We have one component that generates the energy, that is the generator, that is called manifold, not nanopole. Nanopole.
It is a nanopole generator.
Nanopole, the generator.
All right.
What is called nanopole? Because it's the nanotechnology applied to a generator.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The nanotechnology, it is everything that was big a few years ago. This technology is bringing to be
Compressed. All right.
Small.
So it's small generator.
Yeah, this is small generator, but it's moved by wind. See, the good thing it is they use less airflow. It's use the minimum airflow.
Mm-hmm.
Even though when it is moved about half a turn, it is generated energy.
All right. Now, because this is a very, very advanced technology, for us to discuss in detail, maybe one of these days I'm going to interview the inventor of this this technology. Okay, so I am very much impressed with your program that you are doing right now, your IPF, your economic value. And I understand that you are also helping manufacturers like this one here. Yeah. And they are planning to, you are planning to manufacture it in the Philippines.
Sure.
Imagine that. Can we make a close up with our product here? Imagine, ladies and gentlemen, it is very timely that we are $1 one factory project, and they are bringing investors to manufacture products in the Philippines. This is the raw material for this is coconut water. Imagine that.
Correct.
This one is since strawberry and kiwi, not so much product in the Philippines. So we will concentrate on the coconut and the pineapple.
That's correct.
Okay, and also we have a very abundant supply of soybeans.
Sure.
Soybeans in the Philippines, peanut. To mention few, we have so many organic products that we can manufacture. In 20 years, my vision is the Philippines will become one of the strongest industrialized country in the world. So thank you very much for coming over, and I know that this is not our first and last conversation here, because I'll be bringing Dr. Ilan Gona,
Yes.
the inventor of that nano pole generator and the windmill of that green energy. Wow!
Yes.
So thank you very much,
Thank you.
Mr. Szemonadi, Mr. Lopez,
Thank you, Mr.
dropping by to our studio, and you have the opportunity to say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas,
Merry
to
Christmas to
Philippines.
everybody.
Yay.
Mga kapilipino, inyo pong napakinggan ang aking pakipag-ugnayan sa dalawang napakalaki ang may tutulong sa ating proyektong isang $1 One Factory OFW Industrial Revolutions. Mr. Donald Szemonadi, ang Managing Director ng Indigenous People Fund, and Mr. Eufido Lopez, the manager of the IPF, and also they have this project, what they call it, the energy value for real estate. Thank you very much. Sa inyo pong lahat, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Ang inyong kaagapay sa hirap at ginhawa, ang inyong Kuya Manny Calpito po, nag-iiwan ng pagkain kaisipan, ang utang na loob ay hindi dapat nabayaran, sa halip ito ay pasa. Ang inyong kaagapay, Kuya Manny Calpito po, salamat at mabuhay.